So let's start. In first method, to represent under root 5 on a numbered line, what we have to do, first of all draw a numbered line, okay, and on this you may take distance of 1 inch. If you take 1 centimeter, that will be very small, okay. So 1 inch here, and draw a 90-degree angle, and here also with the help of with the help of D you may draw this 90-degree angle, okay. So now here also draw a line 1 centimeter, okay. Two lines first of all we have drawn with 90-degree angle. Now join these two points, okay. So this point, this line represent under root 2, okay. How to represent this? With the help of compass. Here on the number line I'll tell you, but first understand that how to represent under root 3, okay. So now this gap is under root 2. Now same case, with 1 inch we have to draw a line, a perpendicular again here, okay. Now join these 2 points, this point and this point, we have to join them with the help of scale, okay. So this represents under root 3. Now same case here also, with 90-degree we have to draw another 1 inch line and join these 2 points, this point and this point, okay. So this represent under root 4. Then again on this we have to draw a 90-degree angle, and this point we have to join. So this represent our under root 5, okay. Now we have to take compass we have to take, and in compass what we have to do, take this distance under root 2 distance, okay, and mark an arc, this arc. So this is under root 2, this point represent under root 2. Then fill this gap under root 3, okay, and this also we have to represent on the number line. It comes till here, so this is our under root 3, okay. Then further under root 4, fill this gap in the compass and mark an arc, okay. Then next under root 5, fill this gap and here also mark an arc, okay. This represent our under root 5. So this point is representing under root 5, okay. If you are having compass, then you may do it, okay, in these days. Otherwise whenever you will be getting compass, at that time you may do. Now here is the second method to represent under root 5. So here Pythagoras we have used, in previous also Pythagoras theorem we have used, okay. So same case, we have to draw a number line, okay. Now we have to take such numbers that they follow the Pythagoras rule, okay, Pythagoras theorem, and this hypotenuse, okay, it is giving us under root 5, just like as 1 square and 2 square, okay. So 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. If you add both of them, it is giving us 5, and if you remove this square from the h, so there is under root sign on the 5, okay. So this is our under root 5. Now just see, okay. So 1 inch and here till 2 inches are there, okay. So this represent here 2 inches, okay. This one we have to take here, okay. So now this should be on 90-degree angle. Now join these 2 points, okay. This is under root 5. Now take compass, fill this gap in the compass and mark an arc. So it is under root 5 here, okay. Thank you very much.